Hi, everybody. Yes, it's Tim with a totally different message today. Normally, when you turn into this channel, you hear a brief Bible study. I'm a retired pastor, and I think teaching the Bible is my true calling, and so I try to have a study, keep it short and sweet. But this is different. You know, I'm a man with varied interests. I like music, for example, and I play the baritone in an orchestra. And recently, I've also acquired an interest in amateur radio, and this is how I passed the technician exam in 2 weeks. It's just to be helpful and maybe an encouragement to someone out there who's thinking about that yourself. It all started when one of my sons last month got me a transceiver for my birthday. I had an interest in that. This is it. It has a radio, so I can tune into a couple of ham bands and listen to people talking on there, and also a 5-watt transmitter that I can't use until I get an FCC license. And so I thought, well, I guess I need to go ahead and take that step and get the license. And what I did, the first thing I did was I went onto the ARRL website, found the nearest location for the exam, and made contact with them and made an appointment to come in and take the exam. It was held in 2 weeks, and so they gave me 2 weeks to be ready for it. That was kind of motivation because it was on my calendar now. I know I'm going to be there and do it. I have to be ready. And what I did is I bought a book, put it on my Kindle where most of my books go, dealing with the subject. It's called The Fast Track to Your Technician Class Ham Radio License. It's written by Michael and Carrie Burnett, husband and wife team, I would assume. And basically, yes, they're teaching the exam in this book, but they're also giving you a great background and some great information about the concepts behind each of these questions, and also threw in a bit of humor in it. And I appreciated that as well. And while I was reading through it, I made some notes. I found that just the process of writing down notes in that way is a learning device in itself. And I put them on 3x5 cards. I'd have a question on one side and the answer on the other. By the way, this is my stack of cards. This is what it looks like. And it makes it easy to review once they're written down in that way. But that's what I did for 2 weeks. Went in and took the exam last Saturday, and I passed with no problem at all. Really, I did miss one question. I'm not sure what it was that I missed, but it was not a problem. Very doable. And so that's how I did it. If you're interested, there's no wrong way to do it. And maybe that's an encouragement for someone who's thinking about the same thing, wondering, is it really that difficult? Can I do it? Yes, you can. And that's how it was done. Hope that helps, folks.